So what we're talking about is being a passed hand, third position openings. Okay, so you're a passed hand and your partner is opening, or you're in third seat opening, right? Either way, what does third seat opening look like? Why are we even changing up the requirements for what we need in first and second position as to what we need in third and fourth position? Well, strategy wise, we'd like to open a little bit lighter in third chair, because let me draw it out like this. Seat 1 has passed, right? Seat 2 has passed. And you're sitting in seat 3. And you're only looking at, say, 10 high card points in a 5-card suit. So let's say 11 to 12 total points, just under an opening bid. Okay. When we say light, we aren't talking about 8 and 9 point hands. We're talking about hands that are just under the opening bid requirement. And so if the auction's gone pass, and you're looking at 11 to 12 points, that means fourth position is probably about to open, say, 1 no trump or 2 no trump, or even sometimes 2 clubs, right? Strong 2 club bid. So by loosening up the opening bid requirements that we have in first and second chair and having more like 11 to 12 total points in third chair, a lot of times that blocks out the big hand that was about to have a very constructive auction. Okay, so that's one reason. Second reason is to push the opponents around. So let's say fourth hand has a no trump opener, and instead you open. Well, now fourth hand has to come up with either a takeout double, maybe they can overcall 1 no trump, maybe they have to overcall a 5-card suit, right? They have to change up their plan, their original plan, and it gives your side as third chair, right? Your side and your partner an opportunity to push your opponents around, right? And sometimes, well, a lot of times actually, when both sides are bidding, the side that wins the contract often ends up in the wrong contract because of the competitive bidding. A third reason that we'd like to open light is to get partner off to a favorable lead, right? If we pass these 11 to 12 point hands in third chair and our opponents have a very constructive auction to whatever contract, 3 no trump or 4 hearts or 4 spades, or perhaps just a part score, now by opening lighter, we are telling partner, hey, this is a safe suit to lead. And as we know, opening leads make and break a lot of contracts. And then the final strategy reason for opening light in third chair is to have the opponents misjudge not only in the bidding, but in the play of the hand, right? If they're thinking you've got all of the missing high card points because you opened the bidding, they may take a finesse into your partner's hand, and then your partner wins that honor, right? So lots of great strategy reasons to open up third hand just a little bit lighter. We're not saying 8 or 9 or 10 high card points or 10 total points. We're saying combined high card points and long suit points. We want to be opening light in third chair with 11 to 12 total points.